When you talk about time in English, there are several ways depending on whether you are speaking about the exact hour, general parts of the day, duration, or events in relation to the past, present, and future. To tell the exact hour, you use numbers along with o'clock, past, and 2, for example. It's 3 o'clock means exactly 3. If the minute hand has moved, you say it's 10 past 3 for 3:10 or it's 20 to 4 for 3:40. For half an hour, you use half past, as in it's half past 6, and for 15 minutes, you can say a quarter past or a quarter to. In casual speech, people often just say the numbers like it's 7:30 instead of half past 7. Apart from exact times, you often talk about the general parts of the day. Morning is from sunrise until noon, afternoon is from noon until about 6 p.m., evening is from around 6 p.m. until bedtime, and night refers to the late hours after dark. You can say in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night, but you say at noon and at midnight. To be specific, you might add clock time, such as at 8 in the morning or at 9 at night. When arranging meetings or schedules, English speakers usually use the 12-hour clock with AM for times before noon and PM for times after noon. Though the 24-hour clock is also used in timetables, airports, and the military. Talking about time also involves describing durations and how long things last. You can say it takes 10 minutes to walk to school, or the movie lasted 2 hours. When you want to discuss how often something happens, you use expressions like once a week, every day, twice a month, or all the time. To compare times, you can use words like earlier, later, soon, or on time. For example, I arrived earlier than expected, or the bus was late. In conversations about past, present, and future, you use time expressions to anchor events. For the past, you can say yesterday, last week, 2 years ago, or in 1990. For the present, you might say today, right now, or these days. For the future, you can say tomorrow, next week, in an hour, or soon. Prepositions also matter when you describe time. You use at with exact times, on with days and date, and in with months, years, and longer periods. For example, at 5 o'clock, on Monday, on July 4th, and in December or in 2020. English also has many idiomatic ways of talking about time. You might say time flies when it feels like time passes quickly, just in time when something happens at the last moment, or take your time when there is no hurry. Understanding these different expressions help you talk about time naturally and clearly in everyday life. Please like and subscribe.